Dear children, now we are going to see example 5.3. If the area of the triangle formed by the vertices A minus 1, 2, B k, minus 2 and C 7, 4 taken in order is 22 square units, find the value of k. So here the three vertices of a triangle are given and they are given, it is given as taken in order. That means the vertices are taken in the anti-clockwise direction, and given the area of the triangle is 22 square units. The area of the triangle is 22 square units and we have to find the value of k. So first we write the vertices of the triangle. The given vertices are A minus 1, 2, B k, minus 2 and C 7, 4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, and given the area of the triangle is 22 square units. So area of triangle ABC equal to 22 square units. Next we have to write the formula to find the area of triangle ABC. That is half into. Next we have to write the points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1 equal to 22 square units. That is half into. Next we have to write the points using the downward arrow. So that is x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y1 minus, then the next bracket. Then we have to write the points using this upward arrow. That is x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3 equal to 22. That is half into. Next we have to substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So that is x1, y2, x1 minus 1, y2 minus 2. So that is minus 1 into minus 2 plus x2, y3. x2 is k and y3 is 4. So k into 4 plus x3, y1. x3 is 7 and y1 is 2. So 7 into 2 minus, then the next bracket x2, y1. So x2 is k and y1 is 2. k into 2 plus x3, y2. x3 7, y2 minus 2. So 7 into minus 2 plus x1, y3. x1 minus 1, y3 4. So minus 1 into 4 equal to 22. That is half into. Now we will multiply this. bracket minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1, 2 is 2. So 2. Then k into 4. 4 into k, that is 4k plus 7 into 2. 2 sevens are 14 minus next bracket k into 2, that is 2k plus 7 into minus 2. So plus into minus minus 7 2s are 14, that is minus 14. Again minus 1 into 4. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 equal to 22. That is half into, in the first bracket 2 plus 14 is 16. So this is 16 plus 4k minus of, here we have 2k minus 14 minus 4. Both are in negative sign. So we can add these two. Minus 14 minus 4, that is minus 18 equal to 22. That is, next we will take this half to this side. So first write this 16. We will remove the brackets and write 16 plus 4k. Next we have to write these two terms by multiplying with minus sign. So minus into 2k, that is minus 2k. Then minus of minus 18, that is plus 18 equal to 22. When this 2 come this side, we will write 22 into 2. Now see here 4k minus 2k, that is, while subtracting 2k from 4k, we get 2k. 2k plus 18 plus 16, that is 34 equal to 2 into 22, that is 44. Now 2k equal to 44. When this 34 comes this side, it will become minus 34. That is 2k equal to 44 minus 34 is 10. Therefore k equal to 10 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Therefore the value of k is 5. K equal to 5. Okay children.